Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete Instagram account permanently. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Open the Instagram app on the phone. It could be iPhone or Android. The process is same. Tap on the profile picture icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on three lines icon on the upper right corner. Tap Accounts Center on the top. In the Accounts Center, tap on the Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Tap Deactivation or Deletion. Select the profile. On the other hand, if you have multiple accounts, tap on the one that you want to delete. Tap Delete Account and then tap Continue. Now you will get quick overview of what data will be deleted during the profile deletion process. Tap Continue. From the list of options, select the one that you find suitable. I will go with something else and then tap Continue. Here you will be provided with options to export data or deactivate the profile. Select Continue. Now you will be asked to enter the password to confirm the action. Enter it and tap Continue. Now this is the last step. Tap on Delete Account and confirm if asked to do so. After doing this, Instagram keeps your account for 30 days. If your mind changes, then you can regain your account in this time period. You will see the permanent deletion date as well, like this is in my case. And this is how to delete Instagram account. In case you want steps to delete Instagram account on web, then drop a comment. I will create a dedicated video for you. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.